Hi, good noon everybody. Welcome to Pragati Parivar ka page. And we too today are proud Pragatians sitting here. I am your host Shreya Kansal, founder and owner of Mithas Ghar Ki. And today we have an amazing guest. इनका इंट्रोडक्शन बहुत बड़ा है बट मैं छोटा सा ब्रीफ में दे देती हूँ. ही इज़ डॉक्टर गोपाल गोयल हु इज़ एन इम्प्लांट एक्सपर्ट जो इंडिया और अब्रॉड में ट्रेनिंग भी देते हैं और इम्प्लांटिंग भी करते हैं, दांतों की इम्प्लांटिंग. 2001 से इनका अपना सेटअप है, क्लिनिक है दिल्ली में. एंड ही इज़ एक्सपैंडिंग बिकॉज बाकी सबसे बहुत प्यार मिल रहा है. एंड जितना मुझे बहुत सारा पता है बट इनके टर्म्स में बोला जाए तो ये ही हैज़ एन एक्सपर्टीज ऑफ गिविंग यू टीथ इन वन डे.
Yes, fixed teeth in a day.
फिक्स टीथ इन अ डे. तो हम सभी लोगों को अपनी बत्तीसी, मतलब पूरे ना भी हो तब भी हम बत्तीसी बोलते हैं, बड़ी पसंद है. तो आज उसके बारे में कुछ डीप में अंडरस्टैंडिंग लेते हैं. लेट्स ऑल वेलकम डॉक्टर गोपाल गोयल. थैंक यू प्रगति परिवार फॉर गिविंग अस दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी. वी फील वेरी amazing to be here and I got the chance to meet Dr. Gopal Goyal और behind the scenes में आज बहुत सारी बातें हुई हैं. So I'm sure there is so much more to learn from him for all of us. So if you have any questions in between, please आप अपने comments में questions को भेजते रहिएगा. So Dr. Gopal Goyal, welcome to this podcast.
Thank you, Shreya ji. Thanks to Pragati Parivar for this wonderful opportunity.
Yes.
And whatever best I can do and whatever best I can share according to my knowledge and experience, I'll try to put it in a very simple manner.
Yes.
So that everybody who are sitting in the studio and the live audience, they all will get benefit out of it.
Yes.
And if you further have any questions, you can directly reach me on my Instagram handle, and the links are already mentioned in the story.
Yes.
You can even reach us through the link of pragatiparivar.in.
Absolutely. So डॉक्टर गोपाल, मेरा एक क्वेश्चन जो मेरे मन में आता है, मेरे को ना वैसे ही इंजेक्शन से, सुई से बहुत डर लगता है ना. तो मैं इन जनरल भी डेंटिस्ट के पास चली जाऊँ तो शायद बहुत बड़ी बात है. तो इम्प्लांट मेरे लिए टर्म कभी कभी फियरफुल हो जाता है. तो क्या ऐसा है कि इम्प्लांट के लिए कोई स्पेसिफिक एज है कि, क्योंकि जैसे सुनते हैं ना इम्प्लांट एक एज के बाद इज़ नॉट रियली हेल्पफुल, पेनफुल है या फिर वो लॉन्ग लास्टिंग नहीं है. तो आई मीन यू हैव टू हेल्प मी विद दिस. इज इट अ मिथ और दिस इज अ रियलिटी?
Actually, it's like it's completely a myth.
ओके.
First of all, what we need to know is implant एक माध्यम है आपके असली दांत को की तरह नेचुरल दांत लगाने का.
ओके.
मैंने अपनी प्रैक्टिस के अंदर बहुत बारी ये देखा है कि पेशेंट ये सोचता है कि आज मेरा इम्प्लांट लगा है, इसका मतलब मेरा दांत भी आज ही लग गया है. ऐसा नहीं है.
ओके.
हर एक केस में ऐसा नहीं है. बहुत सारे केसेस के अंदर जहाँ पर पेशेंट का स्माइल एक कंसर्न होता है या पेशेंट की अवेलेबल क्लिनिकल कंडीशंस फेवरेबल होती हैं और पेशेंट चीज़ों के साथ एडजस्ट करने के लिए या चीज़ों को समझता है, तो आप उन केसेस के अंदर इम्प्लांट के साथ साथ दांत भी सेम डे लगा सकते हैं.
ओके.
बट मोस्ट ऑफ द कंडीशंस जो ज़्यादातर मैं देखता हूँ अपने कलीग्स को या पेशेंट्स को भी मैं देखता हूँ, इम्प्लांट्स लगाने का जो तरीका है वो एक जिस तरह से हम रूट केनाल करने के लिए या दांत निकालने के लिए एक बहुत थोड़ी सी क्वांटिटी में सुन करते हैं दांत को, उस एरिया को नम्ब करते हैं, और जो नम्ब करने की प्रक्रिया भी आजकल लेटेस्ट तरीक़ों के माध्यम से absolutely painless है.
Okay.
So if you ask me dentistry, I will say it is painless dentistry.
Wow.
And minimally invasive dentistry. तो आप उनके माध्यम से नम्ब करके पेशेंट के इम्प्लांट बहुत ही आराम से डाल सकते हैं. इनफैक्ट अब से अगर मैं 10 साल पहले देखूं तो किसी भी दांत के प्रोसीजर को करने के लिए पेशेंट के आधे जॉ को सुन करना पड़ता था, नम करना पड़ता था, और पेशेंट को करीब 3-4 घंटे तक उस नमनेस का असर रहता था. But with the introduction of even better materials, now we numb only that particular area where we have to do the implant or in fact any other procedure, root canal, or we have to remove the tooth. We just anesthetize that particular area and easily we can just do the implant, say around in 10 to 15 minutes.
Wow.
And it's absolutely painless procedure.
तो जो आप बोल रहे हो, क्या इम्प्लांट के बाद इंसान इंस्टेंट खा सकता है या पी सकता है? क्योंकि व्हाट आई रिमेंबर, चाइल्डहुड में मेरे को कैविटी थी और वो फिल हुई थी, एंड आई रिमेंबर इट वाज पेनफुल आल्सो। एंड उसके बाद डॉक्टर ने बहुत सारे कंडीशंस दिए थे, अभी गर्म या ठंडा नहीं खाना है, ये नहीं खाना है, टाइमिंग है, इतने घंटे बाद खाना है। तो क्या इम्प्लांट के साथ ये सब कुछ जुड़ा हुआ है?
इम्प्लांट के साथ सिर्फ डायरेक्ट प्रेशर डालना जो है वो हमें कुछ टाइम के लिए अवॉइड करना होता है. बट इफ सपोज यू आर नॉट हैविंग एनी टूथ इन योर माउथ, यू आर कम्प्लीटली ईडेंचुलस. ईडेंचुलस हमारी भाषा में बोलते हैं जिस पेशेंट के या जिस इंसान के मुंह में एक भी दांत ना हो. इफ यू आर कम्प्लीटली ईडेंचुलस और you have adequate bone and good health and controlled diabetes, that's
Okay.
a very needful thing to have. We can place implant, we can give you teeth on the same day of surgery, and patient can eat almost anything with those teeth.
Wow, I mean that is known as technology,
Yeah,
right?
that
जिसकी
is
हम बात कर
actually,
रहे हैं.
it's an Italian technique by name intraoral welding,
Okay.
and this is something which is game changer in the field of implant industry.
So I also understand by this, like you're saying technology, that you teach also, you train also. So do you train doctors about new technologies, or do you train doctors about actual implant process, or both?
Being a trainer, I always consider myself very lucky to share or to impart my knowledge with the fellow colleagues.
Lovely.
And what I teach them is what I have learned from my mentors, and I have learned from various countries, various mentors from India, from abroad. And what I have learned from them is how to make things simple.
Lovely.
We always try to complicate the things. Things are never complicated. सी पहले क्या होता था ना, आप अपने घर से निकलते थे, ऑटो वाले से रास्ता पूछते थे, रिक्शा वाले से रास्ता पूछते थे, और पूछते पूछते घर तक पहुंचते थे, और फिर उसके बाद पता लगा कि तो गलत गली में आ गए. बट आज आप गूगल पे जीपीएस ऑन करते हो, गूगल मैप पे लोकेशन लगाते हो और सही जगह पहुंच जाते हो.
बिल्कुल.
थिंग्स आर बिकमिंग सिंपल विद द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, विद द एक्सपीरियंस. So same way, even in the field of implant dentistry, now we have something known as navigation surgeries, guided surgeries,
Okay.
जहाँ पर आप सर्जरी कराने से पहले ही अपने आप को देख सकते हो कि आप ट्रीटमेंट होने के बाद कैसे लगोगे, आपका इम्प्लांट किस तरह से लगेगा, आपका दांत किस तरह से लगेगा, जब आप स्माइल करोगे तो आपकी स्माइल किस तरह से आपको दिखेगी. तो these with the introduction of these guided surgeries, navigation surgeries, things are even simpler now.
Wow,
Even
wonderful.
simpler now.
Because I understand you have studied from Germany and Italy as well. And since you're training, I mean, his simplicity of telling us, it tells us that you are an expert trainer. क्योंकि ट्रेनर की पहचान वही जो सिंपलीफाई करके चीज़ों को बता दे, और हम जैसे आप और हम जैसे ले मैन्स इन चीज़ों को समझ पाए. सो कितने, आई थिंक फ्रॉम 2001 यू आर प्रैक्टिसिंग.
Yes, I am practicing since
So-
2001.
How many implants you would have done?
It's a difficult question because if you ask me how many smiles I have restored, I think that's a better question, because
okay.
when we do the treatment, no, our single focus is how we can restore the patient function.
Yes. Okay.
Because many times, even we get emotional when see patients, they are eating from denture and they are unable to chew anything. They are developing indigestion, they are developing uncontrolled diabetes, and they are, we have treated patient even in depression. And the moment they get the teeth, they start eating properly, they start enjoying food properly, their approach towards life change drastically.
Okay.
So, if you ask me number of implants, maybe more than thousands, maybe more than 5,000, 7,000, 10,000.
Okay.
But definitely I have not never counted them. But we have restored many smiles.
Wonderful.
We have been lucky or blessed by the God to make changes in the people's life.
So do you have any recent memory of a typical case of maybe one of your oldest client, or maybe one of the client who has difficult teeth structure? I don't know what do we call it, but yeah.
See, every case is simple and every case is difficult till you do it in a good way.
Wow.
Because you
Okay.
cannot say this case was simple and this case was difficult.
Huh.
More you do, more you learn.
Yeah.
And things become simpler day by day. And now technology, when you join hands with the technology, it's always good to
I
use
mean,
that.
I agree to what you're saying, but understand my perspective. I'm saying, with experience, you say that the implanting becomes easier with whatever technicality it holds. But I'm also talking about when a client's come in. Every client is a different client, right? So at times it is not about that you are an expert. Yes, you are, but because people like me or someone else might have faced difficulties with different dentists. See, everybody is great and amazing, but हर किसी का एक प्रोफिशेंसी होती है, एक एक्सपर्टीज़ होती है, और कई जगहों पे वो चीज़ थोड़ी कम होती है और डायरेक्शन घिर जाता है। और अगर कोई पेशेंट है, लेट्स से अगर मैं पेशेंट हूँ तो मेरा एक्सपीरियंस ख़राब हो जाता है, और अगर मैं कहीं अच्छी जगह जाती भी हूँ ना तो मेरे मन में डाउट्स होते हैं। सो क्या ऐसे क्लाइंट्स आए हैं आपके पास? क्योंकि मेरे ख्याल से वो सबसे टिपिकल क्लाइंट होते हैं।
Actually, sometimes, unfortunately, we even get the kind of patients who have not been treated properly, or maybe they were not treated by the experienced hands.
Hmm.
See, that's there everywhere. No, you
Hmm.
just cannot
Hmm.
just judge the profession by one good case or one bad case.
Hmm.
So what? Yes, we have done many cases like this, and yeah, it's better if I say only this much. Cases are there, good
Yes.
cases, bad cases. Even sometimes when we do implants, sometimes when implants, the bone does not form around the implants. But
Okay.
that does not mean implant treatment is bad.
Okay.
It is your body. It is your body. It's a technique. It's a combination of the science, the dentist who is treating, and the patient who is getting the treatment done.
Hmm.
When all three things coordinate properly,
Hmm.
always things falls in a right place.
Hmm.
Another thing is implant treatment involves lot of planning. It's not just like that you come to my clinic chair and you say, doc, I need one implant, can you do it now? When we do it now,
Hmm.
it's a problem. Because
Okay.
that is without the planning. So any treatment, any procedure, any program,
Hmm.
in fact anything needs a proper system.
So you mean to say one should come and consult before doing an implant, be it small or big?
Yes, you need proper consultation, you need proper clinical examination, and if some diagnostic tests, not if, almost every case requires some diagnostic tests, those need to be done properly, and once the planning is done, then that planning need to be discussed with the patient, and then only we should proceed with the dental implant placement.
I have understood that your patients or your clients are not just NCR based. They travel from different parts of the country and abroad as well. So in that case, how do these kind of diagnosis happen? They have to come multiple times, or is there a different medium of screening you're doing things?
Yeah, there are now many other mediums, and I am lucky in that way because as I travel in a different part of countries, suppose recently I got one patient from Calcutta,
Yeah.
and I did her implant. She was around 92-year-old,
Wow.
and we gave her teeth in a one day. Yesterday, the day of surgery, just one evening before she came to the Delhi, and next day we did her surgery, and same day evening she went back to Calcutta.
So you mean to say when somebody says now it is not about now, it is about जल्दबाजी ना करे, समझ के सिस्टम को डायग्नोस करके फिर इम्प्लांट करे, चाहे वो सेम डे हो जाए.
Implants ज़्यादातर same day ही हो जाते हैं, but what we did in that case is, let's take this Calcutta case.
Hmm.
I had one dentist friend in Calcutta. The patient, I asked that patient to go there. One of my dentist friend, he examined that patient.
Hmm.
He shared all the data, clinical data, whatever I have required.
Hmm.
And now with the help of WhatsApp, video calls, emails,
Mhm.
we utilize these things not in playing games. We utilize
Absolutely.
this technology to
Absolutely.
our field, and then shared all the radiographs, CT scans, and then I was easily I can plan the case. And then
Okay.
we have done that surgery in one day.
Lovely.
See, surgery is one day, or to be, if I use a better term, the treatment is one day, but the planning involves at least 10 days.
Okay. Okay, I got it. I think we all understood this part here. That is, it is about knowing the history, the
Exactly.
dental structure, the past report of a dentist, and and then planning how to proceed to go with 1 day teeth. I would say
Exactly.
getting new teeth in 1 day.
See, Rome cannot build in a day.
But I guess you can build teeth in
No,
a
no,
day.
so yeah, I can build teeth in a day if my team is working well.
Absolutely.
It's not just one man show. If I get a chance, I'll be really happy if I can have my team here next time.
I'm sure. Yes,
Yes.
yes. So, what is the youngest age group you have catered?
See, youngest age group is when a child or when a person gets his growth completed. We
Okay.
usually do implants after the age of 21, 22, not before that.
Okay.
Now, when it comes to the maximum age,
Hmm.
any age when patient is physically fit and willing to go.
Hmm.
I've seen many times
Hmm.
patient has been on implants
Hmm.
forced by the dentist.
Okay.
It has to be first thing what is required is patient should have a will to get his implant done and motivated enough to maintain the hygiene and take care of the implant.
So, is there a possibility that somebody comes कि मेरे दांतों का structure ठीक नहीं है, इसे implant कर दीजिए, and were there any cases of such sort जहाँ आपने बोला हाँ इस structure ठीक है हम ठीक कर सकते हैं but implant की ज़रूरत नहीं है? Were there such cases?
Yeah, it happens. I think in the last presentation you were not there. I have shown few cases there.
Okay.
Sometimes patients feel that this tooth is damaged and I cannot take care of it, and it need to be replaced with the implant. But no, it's not like that. With the, as I already mentioned, with the help of latest technologies, with the help of minimally invasive dentistry nowadays, we can save maximum tooth.
Okay.
We can save. In fact, in implants also nowadays a technique which we are practicing, where we are cutting the portion of tooth and leaving it inside, adjacent to the implant.
Okay.
So where we can save the tooth, nothing beats your natural tooth.
Lovely.
Not even one implant is stronger than your natural tooth.
Hmm.
Not even one filling is better than your natural tooth. So whatever treatment you get it done. Always believe in maintaining the oral hygiene. You
Makes
should
sense.
brush before going to bed. You should rinse with mouthwash before going to bed. You should use floss before going to bed. You should consult a dentist every 6 months for regular checkup. The right age is the moment you get your first tooth. That is at the age of 6 months. You get the first tooth in your mouth. Till you have your last tooth inside the mouth,
Hmm.
you should visit your dentist regularly.
So, audience में एक question आया है.
हाँ जी.
What kind of people should think for implant? मतलब क्या क्या challenges हैं या structure है जिसकी वजह से इंसान को एक बार implant के लिए सोचना चाहिए?
मैम पेशेंट को इम्प्लांट के बारे में नहीं सोचना चाहिए.
तो फिर कैसे पता चलेगा? सी बहुत सारे लोग implant term से ही डरते हैं.
तभी तो मैंने बोला आपसे.
तो क्या मुझे इम्प्लांट की ज़रूरत है? I have canine teeth, not trees, teeth जो आगे निकले हुए हैं. I have the Dracula smile, but do I really need an implant?
No, you have a beautiful smile. That's the first thing. You don't need an implant. You need something known as orthodontic implant.
Okay.
You need something known as braces. In common,
Yes.
in layman language, if I say you need braces, you need aligners,
हाँ.
invisible braces.
हाँ.
You need that treatment.
Hmm.
So the treatment, whether you need implant or not, will be decided by the dentist,
Hmm.
not by the patient.
अच्छा तो मतलब बस हर 6 महीने जाते रहिए
हाँ जी.
और अपना चेकअप कराते
कराते
रहिए. ज़रूरत पड़ेगी नहीं पर पड़ जाए तो डॉक्टर गोपाल गोयल इज़ राइट हियर जिन्होंने बोला कि कभी कभी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है और हम बता देते हैं. सो यू आर इन सेफ हैंड्स विद डॉक्टर गोपाल क्योंकि अगेन ही इज़ एन इंटरनेशनल ट्रेनर. सिर्फ इंडिया के डेंटिस्ट को ही नहीं अब्रॉड में भी ही डू अ लॉट ऑफ सेमिनार्स सेशंस ट्रेनिंग्स जो वो सिखाते हैं नई टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में प्रोसेसेस को और कैसे सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं. एंड व्हाट आई लव इन दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन इज़ फर्स्ट जैसे मैंने बोला सिंप्लीफाइंग द इंफॉर्मेशन. आई थिंक वहाँ कनेक्शन बिल्ड हो जाता है तो ट्रस्ट डेवलप हो जाता है हमारा. और दूसरा व्हाट आई लाइक्ड अबाउट हिम इज अरे जी टेंशन ना लो सब इजी ही है काइंड ऑफ एटीट्यूड दैट ही हैज शोन, जहाँ पे कुछ भी डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. इफ डॉक्टर ही डरा देता है तो इंसान पेशेंट ऑटोमेटिकली और ज़्यादा डर जाता है, वो डरा हुआ आया होता है. बट अगर डॉक्टर ने उसे बहुत ईज आउट कर दिया है तो आई थिंक वो कहीं ना कहीं हम जाते हैं कि अच्छा एक्सपर्ट ने बोला है ठीक से हो जाएगा, तो यार हो तो जाएगा ही. सो आई थिंक आई रियली लव दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन. I am waiting for few of you to ask few questions and we have some people in a studio also. Do you have questions? No questions. No questions. Oh wow. I think दो लोग हमारे साथ हैं behind the camera, सुहानी and तुषार, जो हमारे पूरे सेटअप के लिए हमारी आज हेल्प कर रहे हैं. उन दोनों को कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं है. आप लोगों को हैं तो आप पूछ सकते हैं. डॉक्टर गोपाल, मुझे बहुत सारे हैं और एक तो जैसे मैंने आपसे पूछ ही लिया. अब मैं ये पूछना चाहती हूँ, जैसे हमने इनिशियली बात की थी ट्रिकी पेशेंट्स की, है ना, तो आपने बोला प्रोसेस डिफिकल्ट नहीं है बिकॉज विद एक्सपीरियंस you acquire that much of skill set to ease down the process. I am not talking about the process here, you are an expert. I am talking about individuals. जैसे मैंने बोला इनिशियली एक मैंने पॉइंट बोला था कि जब एक्सपीरियंस ख़राब होके आता है कोई इंसान तो बहुत एप्रीहेंसिव होता है. इवन इफ आई वुड रीच द राइट पर्सन आई वुड बी एप्रीहेंसिव क्योंकि मेरे पास्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस ख़राब थे. ऐसे ही कभी कभी कुछ ट्रिकी और भी होते हैं. How do you deal with such kind of patients?
For the first thing which I have seen, whether the patient is tricky or whether the case is easy or the difficult is, you have to first calm down. You have to first try to understand why this process is tricky. Again, it's a treatment planning.
Yes.
You need to find out where the barrier is, where something has gone wrong. You have to motivate the patient. She will or he will get his teeth done in a right way, and you have to do it.
Right.
It's not, and they can see pictures, they can see testimonials, they can talk to other patients who have the same problems. So these ways you can make it easy and comfortable for them. And one more thing is, which I have seen is, many times patient ask me, as you were saying, you have the Dracula smile which you do not have. Do you need treatment?
Yeah.
Implant treatment is basically required when you have missing tooth.
Okay.
Implant treatment is not for something when it can be restored with some other treatment, or when a tooth can be restored with some filling or root canal, and you need implant for that case. No, implant is required when a tooth cannot be restored. That means it has been damaged to that extent where root canal cannot be done. Secondly, when you have missing tooth.
Okay.
The problem is we live with the missing tooth for long, and then during that time our remaining teeth starts moving in the wrong directions, and that thing makes case difficult.
Okay.
See, it's not just about dentistry. Suppose somebody is having chest pain, somebody is having breathlessness when he or she is climbing stairs, and they are not consulting any physician or cardiologist. You know what will happen.
Time से
It's
जाना
the
ज़रूरी है.
time when you are not going to the doctor on time, you are complicating things.
Absolutely.
Same applies to dentistry. Same applies to them. And now as I am practicing now more than 20 years, if I see the graph of patients nowadays, first 10 years or maybe first 8 years, the patient which we were catering is, old age patients.
Okay.
Senior citizens or any patient who is 50 plus, 60 plus. But now people are aware.
Yes.
Drastically we have seen the change.
Yes,
where
this generation is aware.
Yeah, they are coming for regular tooth cleaning.
Yes.
They are coming for regular teeth screening. The moment they see some black spot in their mouth, they are more worried than us. That's the change we are seeing in the society, and it's a good change. It's a positive change, which will definitely will keep at least you away from the implants.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
So you said either a missing teeth or it is completely damaged to the extent जहाँ पर root canal भी possible नहीं है.
Exactly.
So क्या implant सिर्फ root से होता है या अगर किसी का, जैसे I have seen people जिनके आधा दांत टूट गया, उन्होंने कैप लगाई हुई है. So क्या उस जगह पर भी कुछ ऐसा है?
See, again now the thing is, you have used two terms. Non-restorable teeth. आधा दांत टूटा हुआ है जिस पे कैप लगाई हुई है. That
वो
means
तो
that
नॉन
is,
रिस्टोरेबल तो एक अलग ही हो गया जो आपने बोला.
तो जिस पे कैप लगाई हुई है, that is restorable tooth. You don't need implant for that.
ओके, सो यू आर सजेस्टिंग उसमें कैप का केसेस
जिस टूथ पे कैप भी नहीं लगाई जा सकती,
ऐसा भी पॉसिबल है कि
Yeah.
टूटे हुए दांत पे कैप ना लग पाए?
सपोज करिए आपके माउथ के अंदर टूथ इतना ज़्यादा टूट गया है कि वो मुंह में विजिबल ही नहीं है, सिर्फ रूट पीसेस विजिबल हैं.
अच्छा, ओके.
Those cases require implant, and best part is you can remove those roots and place implant in the same surgery on the same day.
ओके ओके, सो अगर छोटी सी टूट फूट है तो वो नॉर्मल मरम्मत से ठीक हो जाएगी.
नॉर्मल मरम्मत से ठीक
पर
है.
अगर नींव तक चली गई है वो टूट फूट, तो उसकी नींव का थोड़ा सा सिस्टम हटा के वापस वहीं पे इम्प्लांट हो जाएगा. आपकी नींव को हिलने नहीं देंगे.
नींव दोबारा डालना इज इम्प्लांट.
Okay, that's a really good term. I have few more questions which I can't see. Let me just open my phone and check it out. Can you help me, sir? So let's check out Instagram because we have a lot of questions coming in. Allow me a moment. Let's check out Instagram because we have a lot of questions coming in. Okay, so Hani, can you help me read few of the questions from there? Just allow me a moment. I would request people to please type in your questions again so that I can just see and respond and ask Dr. Gopal about those questions. If you can quickly drop in your questions. I saw few but I couldn't read through.
श्रेया जी, एक चीज और मैं हाईलाइट करना चाहूँगा.
हाँ
इतने
जी,
आप
please.
क्वेश्चन देख रहे हैं.
हाँ जी.
कुछ लोग सोचते हैं कि मैंने इम्प्लांट करा लिया
हाँ.
तो मेरा दांत फॉरएवर हो गया, लाइफ लॉन्ग हो गया.
हाँ.
अमर इस दुनिया में सिर्फ भगवान है और कुछ अमर नहीं है.
अरे बहुत सारे बच्चों के नाम भी हमारे सर, ऐसे
नहीं,
मत
वो ठीक है.
करो.
जैसे आप नेचुरल टीथ की देखभाल करते हैं,
हाँ.
आपको उसी तरह से इम्प्लांट टूथ की भी क्लीनिंग मेंटेनेंस करनी होती है, तभी आपका इम्प्लांट लाइफ लॉन्ग चल सकता है.
Oh, that's a lovely question. मेरे दिमाग में आया भी नहीं है, बट मे बी बिकॉज इट इज़ अ वेरी प्रैक्टिकल थिंग कि और क्या इवन विद मेंटेनेंस इसका एक टेन्योर है?
नहीं,
कि-
विद द मेंटेनेंस इसका कोई टेन्योर नहीं है. बट व्हाट आई हैव सीन इज समटाइम्स व्हाट पेशेंट डज इज, सपोज दे आर नॉट हैविंग टूथ ऑन बोथ साइड्स, they get their implant done on one side and they only eat from that side and they feel now उनका काम चल रहा है.
ओके
That's a very wrong approach actually.
ओके.
To chew proper food, God has given us 32 teeth. Otherwise, God could have given only teeth on one side and something else on the another side. So you need to have complete set of teeth so that they can support each other, they can last longer, and they can help you to enjoy your food.
सर फन फैक्ट, कुछ लोगों के 28 टीथ ही होते हैं. वो जो 4 विजडम टूथ होते हैं, हर किसी को विजडम नहीं आई होती है.
हर किसी को wisdom नहीं आई होती है.
But we have got that question for you. So CA Vasu is asking us, is implant safe or should we continue with conventional methods? Very, oh wow, thank you so much. That's a lovely question. मेरे दिमाग में भी
Thank
है.
you, Vasu ji. It's a wonderful question. Actually, if you do not have a tooth, there are 3 options to replace that missing tooth. The first is you can replace that tooth with a removable denture.
Okay.
पहले देखते थे
जो-
ना बत्ती सी
हाँ.
हाथ में लेके साफ करते
हाँ
थे.
सर, वो भी है. और आजकल में बहुत सारे मीम्स भी आ गए हैं. वो बत्ती सी ड्रिंक पीते पीते ग्लास में गिर गई
Exactly.
या खाते हुए बाहर आ गई.
That's the one option.
हम्म,
Second most common option is the bridge.
हम्म.
What we do in bridge is like you take support from the 2 adjacent tooth.
Okay.
Suppose one tooth is missing in between, so one tooth is mesial, one tooth is distal. You reduce them, you cut them, and you make a cap on them, and with the support of those 2 cap, you join one more tooth into it. That is bridge. It is a good option only when implant is not possible because of the deficient bone. Patient physical condition plays a huge role.
Okay.
And as I mentioned earlier, patients will.
Patients will.
But if you ask me which is the most natural way to get your teeth replacement done, is the implant. because
Hmm.
implant works like your natural tooth root. You place the root inside
Hmm.
and then you put the tooth over it.
Okay.
So you are not damaging the adjacent tooth.
Hmm.
You are not compromising the strength of those tooth which you are reducing for the bridge,
Mm-hmm.
and you can enjoy your tooth.
Oh wow. So एक question जो मेरे मन में है, so when you talked about bridge, creating bridge, that means जो missing tooth है वो एक artificial tooth की तरह ही होगा सिर्फ support करने के लिए, या उससे भी हम chewing कर पाएंगे?
आप उसे chew तो कर सकते हैं at the cost of sacrificing or
The other-
compromising the strength of those two natural tooth.
Okay. We have one more question which is very relatable. So many implants are available in the market. So how to choose which is good or the best? And this is by Shiva Mathur. Thank you so much, Shiva. This is an amazing question.
See, it's like so many cars are available in the market, from Tata Nano to Jaguar, Mercedes, Audi. Do you feel all are same?
No.
You can travel with all the cars.
Yes.
You can talk even with the keypad phone and the Android phone or the iPhone,
Yes.
but all have different price.
Yes.
Price tag is multifactorial. The research behind those implants, the material they are made up of, the connections what they have, kind of future options they can give you in future. Suppose today you have one missing tooth, you have three missing tooth. Maybe after 20 years you do not have any tooth inside your mouth. So do you want your implant replacement done again, or you want to use those same implants?
Oh, yes. I would like to have
that,
the same
that
implant.
implant company should be there in your country for at least till that time period, 20 years, 30 years. So any experienced implant company, any good implant company
Hmm.
who do nice research, use nice materials,
Mhm.
and are willing to stay into the market
Hmm.
will give you good implants, and we should choose those implants because company will come and go, but your tooth will never come again.
Makes sense. So I think that's a lovely one. We are beyond the time limit, but we'll still take two more questions here quickly. Suppose I get my implant done, then do I need to take a break from my work or take some rest? I think Vijay, I would answer it no, because this was the initial conversation we had, wherein Dr. Gopal explained us the process, wherein the process nowadays is getting simpler and simpler. पहले जो numbness की जाती थी वो पूरे मुंह में की थी, फिर हाफ माउथ में आई थी, और अब वो सिर्फ उतना ही एरिया नम करते हैं प्रोसेस के दौरान जितने में इम्प्लांट की ज़रूरत है, और उसके बाद यू कैन गो बैक एंड ऑलमोस्ट ईट एवरीथिंग इज व्हाट डॉक्टर गोपाल सेड टू अस. सो आई थिंक आई आंसर्ड दैट करेक्टली, डॉक्टर गोपाल.
Yes.
ओके, सो वी हैव अनदर क्वेश्चन wherein is teeth white. I think Pooja, this question is not with him, but we'll ask him. Is teeth whitening a medical requirement or just a cosmetic procedure?
It's a cosmetic procedure. Teeth cleaning is medical requirement. Teeth whitening is a cosmetic and optional procedure.
So
If
I
you
think
want to look vibrant, you want to smile with your brightened tooth, you want to smile with a white tooth, go for teeth whitening. If you want to remain with healthy gums, you want to remain with the healthy dentition, go for teeth cleaning, which is required every 6 months, irrespective of your dietary habits, irrespective of your kind of food, the kind of area you live, whatever you do. Tooth cleaning is required every 6 months. Tooth whitening is always optional. It is for cosmetic purpose.
Wonderful. I think we have covered almost all the questions. Thank you so much. This time we had amazing audience. Wow, you guys have a lot of idea about implant. मुझे ही कम था. But thanks to you all and Dr. Gopal for being here, for making this episode a wonderful one for Pragati Parivar, who has given us this wonderful opportunity and platform wherein we are meeting different entrepreneurs, different business segments to learn about their work and to see how the knowledge helps us. So signing off today from Pragati Parivar. See you next week, and if you have any questions, this live will be saved and you can ask directly to Dr. Gopal Goyal, or you can leave a comment on pragatiparivar.in. Thank you so much. Thank you Sahil Grover for giving your amazing studio from Unico Designs. And again, thank you Pragati Parivar, and thank you Dr. Gopal Goyal.
Thank you Shreya ji, thank you Praveen Narang ji for the opportunity.
Yes, absolutely.
And all the members of Pragati Parivar, as well as all the viewers, followers, and to the wonderful audience for the wonderful questions. and the team which is really working behind the scene.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Claps for a round of applause for everyone.
Thank you. Thank you so much.